Hi friends, today we discuss about the cause of porosity generation. So my question is, why porosity is generated? What is the cause of to generation of porosity? So friend, porosity generation having many cause, but only one cause we discuss here, and this cause is in case of high gas flow rate. In case of high gas flow rate, what is this cause to generate porosity? Gas flow rate is unit is LPM, liter per minute. High flow rate, liter per minute. This is a gas flow rate unit. So one cause we discussed to generation of porosity is high gas flow rate. So we discuss here. Friends, question is why porosity is generated? The answer is porosity caused by the absorption of hydrogen. It is caused by absorptions of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, or it may be contaminants. That means foreign particles are trapped in the weld pool. Here that is a weld pool. If foreign particle, that means contaminant or oxygen or nitrogen or hydrogen is entrapped in this weld pool, then it cause a porosity generation. One of them, it may be also friends, lack of gas coverage. Here that is a gas covering or shielding gas. It is known as a shielding gas. If this shielding gas is weak, then it may also cause to gas porosity. Okay friends, porosity having other cause, that means leaks in the gas pipeline, or if very high flow rate, we discuss here on one cause, very high flow rate, that is LPM, drought and excessive turbulence in the weld pool. This cause a porosity. So friend, we all of those causes we discuss one causes, and this cause is high gas flow rate. What is this effect on this porosity? Okay, so friends, this is a weld pool and this is two parts with joined together by welding. Okay, now this is a electrode and these lines, this dotted line is shown as a shielding gas. This is a welding torch and here trigger to move electrode. Okay friend, this picture is created here. Friend, this is the electrode tip and this is a weld pool. So friends, weld tip to weld pool distance is maintained as 10 to 12 mm. This distance is maintained as 10 to 12 mm. This is a electrode tip. That means electrode tip to workpiece distance or weld pool distance is maintained as 10 to 12 mm. So friends, you know what is if high gas flow rate is increased, then what is cause to porosity increase? Okay friends, you know Bernoulli's equation is here. We put here pressure plus half rho v square plus rho g h equals to constant. This is a Bernoulli's equation. You read in your classes. This is a pressure and this is a what? This is a incompressible density, incompressible and non-viscous density. Okay, this is a gravity, this is a density, and this shows height. What is a height? Height friends, this. Okay, h. If we, for easy calculation, if this value is very short, then this will become 0. Okay, now we here, for this is not in real case friend, but we try to easy calculation. So this is a 0 and here p plus half rho v square, this is a velocity to gas flow rate. This is a gas flow rate, that means velocity equals to constant. This will become 0 and two terms here. Okay, now friends, in this case pressure, density of a gas, and this is a velocity, that means gas flow rate, equals to constant. So friends, after calculation you put here minus 1 by 2 rho v square plus c. V goes inside this, okay, c minus half rho v square. Friends, if we increase velocity, then pressure is decreased, okay. If we decrease velocity, then pressure will increases, okay. What is this relation we put here? If we take velocity v1 equals to 2, what is effect? This is a constant. We take a 10 value for example, okay. P equals to 10 minus half, that is a, you always neglected it from only calculation to how this vary, we understand here. 2 whole square, that means 4, 2. 10 minus 2 equals to what? 8. P equals to 8. If we increase this, V2 equals to, we put 4. Then what? Here we put here this value 10 minus half, and this square 16, 8, that means 2. So what friend, if V value 2, then it will be, pressure will become 8. If V value is 4, then pressure will be 2. If V value is increases, here 2 and 4 increases, then pressure will decreases. So this is a relation between here. So friends, if gas flow rate is high, that means velocity is high, then what will cause? Pressure will decrease. That means if here gas is high, then pressure will decrease outside this. Then other foreign particle, that means environment contaminant, is go inside this whirlpool. We understand here friends, if velocity increases, then pressure decrease. That means the environment here outside this welding torch is pressure is decrease. Friends, take here, that is a, if you take 1 bar pressure, environment pressure 1 bar for example, then here pressure will decrease, and you know higher pressure to lower pressure any things is flowing out. That means foreign particle, nitrogen, oxygen and so many things is go inside this whirlpool, and this created porosity, okay. Friends, again we try to understand you, if this pressure is very high, if seldom gas is very high, velocity very high, then near side this here pressure is very low with respect to environment pressure. Then this environment pressure is very high as compared to here, because here velocity is high. Then environment contaminant as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen is entrapped inside this whirlpool, and this created a porosity. So that is one of this reason how you understand high gas flow rate created a porosity. So thank you to all of you understand with. This is the only example. We become a shortcut, become a easy calculations. Thank you.